this year's 3CDS has been fabulously successful. To do business to a certain level online, people are daily talking by Zoom and by Teams and whatever platforms are available, but that isn't the same as being able to meet face to face with your peers within the industry at an event like this. It just isn't the same.
The most engaging part of talking to someone is that you know whether you can believe someone when they're in front of you. You have presence, you have integrity. You have to really challenge your thinking and your behaviour. So for me, it resonated on so many levels.
It's been an absolutely stunning event today and yesterday, actually, the Special Projects Day. But today, loads of people, lots of interest, lots of conversation, great networking. There's a kind of post-COVID thing, of course, where everyone wants to go and see each other. I've bumped into people I've not seen for 2 years now, so it's been a really good day.